we're running out of hazelnuts until Amazon gets here later, Miss Meow. Yeah, you got part of my finger on that one. That never happened before. Bye, Miss Meow. Is it a pretty squeal? It's Mr. Big Nuts. Hi. Coming up. I got peanuts. Yeah. I just have peanuts, Miss Spot. I know, you don't want them. I can't spoil you guys. Mr. Big Nuts ran across the street with the good nuts and ruined it for everyone. See, he stays over here when he gets a peanut. I'll give you this nut if you stay in the yard. Okay? You gonna come up see me? Where you going? Aw. Yeah, this robe's going in the wash today.